So down in my basement, next to my water heater, is a catalytic carbon filter. This puppy takes out the ammonia from the city water before it ever comes in to the Hague processing system, which actually conserves on salt because it measures how much water you use to determine when to recycle. After the water goes through the Hague processor, it comes over to the RO system here, where it's turned into reverse osmosis water. And then that's put into the glass jug that comes downstairs to be distilled. And we are down in the dungeon, essentially. This is the WaterWise distiller, which I fill up with water, and it distills the water into the stainless steel pot. So that's my ground zero distilled water. Then I put it in this WaterWise or Vitalizer Plus, and what that does is microclusters the water. This thing, I've been using it for 13 years. So what it does is it makes a tornado and infuses oxygen into the water, and even if it sits in a glass bottle for like 3 days, I can tell the difference in the water. It just feels light and fluffy inside of you. So this thing works on that for the designated time, which is usually like close to a half an hour. And then I take that, put it in glass, the glass jug, and then go from there with it.